Namaste from the land of Red River and Blue Hills, the beautiful city Guwahati in Assam, Northeast India, to all the brilliant students out there in Krishna Engineering and Technology Institute, Meerut, New Delhi. And the video hunt, let your camera speak. The competition is over and we have received 8 films, and I'm gonna say something about the films which all the films were good. I'll pick first the best one. Usually is the other way around. I'll pick 8 films are Shivam Sharma, Ajal by Team Rough Drafts. Shivam Sharma again made Gumnam Chappal. Hemish Agrawal, Prashant Singh made Hope. Shyam Javed made Kare Koi Bhare Koi. Dev Shahu made Loneliness and Peer Pressure. Naman Mahendra made Rainbow. Abhinav Saxena made Tutti Umid. So why I liked Ajal is like you have used, आपको फिल्म में पता चलता है कि आपने मेहनत किया है. You have used cinematic technique, narrative techniques, both content and technique आपने अच्छा से use किया है. And when the film starts, the character is shown with dilemma in his mind, confusion, hopelessness, the vacuum in his mind, and what he's watching at is the wheel of death. You call that Chicago wheel, Ferris wheel, circus wheel. Amusement park में होते हैं, wheel of death होते हैं, and the plot is shot in the evening and light were glowing out beautifully. आपने camera technique इतना अच्छा से use किया, and the wheel is showing, the lights were showing. Light was the way it was reflecting out of the wheel of death was instilling a sense of life, longingness, loveliness is visible. It was how metaphor, these symbols are used in cinema to inspire human being when in a situation when they go through loneliness, hopelessness, and most importantly suicidal tendency हो रहे थे आपके, because you couldn't do good in your exam. आप engineering exam में you couldn't do it. So in that particular moment when you आप results जब out होते हैं, you couldn't do good, and the turbulence in mind, the chaos in mind, the conflict in mind was showing beautifully. But out of that wheel of that, you show life, lights, hopes, right? That's why I like the film. Cinematic, smooth cutting. It's all, every film was wall breaking shots. Okay, let me say wall breaking shots. You all have pushed the boundaries to tell new stories, develop a new relationship with cinema and storytelling. A student hoke, I really can see father of world cinema Godard, Truffaut, Akira Kurosawa, Varun Satyajit Ray, Mrinal Sen, Mani Kaul, in you all. Keep it up, please. And Gumnam Chappal में क्या होता है? Narrative technique, content wise, was rich, brilliant, and the character was walking throughout the journey with one chappal. एक चप्पल छूट गया था, उनका टाइम ही नहीं होता, वक्त ही नहीं होता है कि लुक बैक एंड फॉर द चप्पल. ही वॉज हम टाइम में इतने हरीडनेस में you move with time and reach a certain point. You feel the burden of the one chappal, and एक चप्पल, एक पैर में चप्पल नहीं होता, एक में होता है. You have been feeling the pain, the wearer not the wearer who pinches, right? The chappal was troubling you. So you reach a bridge and suddenly you take out the chappal from one of your foot and you throw the chappal in the river, right? Bridge के नीचे river जो थे वहाँ पे. A film was brilliantly made by you, Gumnam Chappal, but that was not rendering right message. आप चप्पल को नदी में फेंकना नहीं चाहिए था. Breeze is such a beautiful symbol. Nadi, life is like the river flow on, gives hope. Breeze is like connecting all that things you need to breeze the gaps. पर आपने उसमें चप्पल फेंक के right message को render नहीं किया. That's why I was a bit disappointed. Otherwise, it's a brilliantly made film. Hope is like, again, you fail in इतने बड़े IIT जैसे इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ते हो, renowned इंस्टीट्यूट में पढ़ते हो, मेहनत करते हो, but when you again the result is not good, and when your family supports you, friends supports you, gives you hope, you excel in life. Very good. Rays of hope you see, right? Lights in the rays of hope. Very good, Prashant Singh. और करे कोई भरे कोई देव साहू. See, all have made this film. इसमें कुछ सिनेमेटिक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं था. इट्स लाइक अमेच्योरी. सिंपली एक फ़ोन को लिया, एक कैरेक्टर है बेटा, बोलते कि नहीं, कोरोना वायरस COVID-19 हमको कुछ नहीं करेगा, बिकॉज आई एम स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई एम हेल्दी, आई एम यूजिंग इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर, ईटिंग गुड, डूइंग गुड, एंड इट गोज आउट. व्हेन इट कम्स बैक, इट अफेक्ट्स द फादर. वो एसिम्टोमेटिक थे, वो सिम्टोमेटिक थे, अफेक्ट्स द फादर, एंड द फादर डाइज ऑफ कोविड. Not treat, I mean, because they couldn't do treatment in right time. But the father is also played by the same you. एक ही करेक्टर में आप दो प्ले कर रहे थे, बट कैरेक्टर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन स्टोरीज एंड प्लॉट्स. हम कैरेक्टर के लिए कितने ऑडिशन करते हैं, एक कैरेक्टर के लिए 1000 लाइन लगते हैं ना. आपने एक ही खुद ही को पिताजी बना दिया, खुद ही को बेटा. इट वॉज लाइक फनी था, बट वेरी पावरफुल मैसेज. ओके, वो मैसेज आप पावरफुल दे रहे थे कि बी केयरफुल, प्लीज़ बी एक्स्ट्रा केयरफुल, टेक केयर ऑफ वन लाइफ, प्रेशियस लाइफ. कोरोना का गुड मैसेज था, बट टेक्निकली बिकॉज एज इज दिस फिल्म नो हार्ट फीलिंग फिल्म थे, तो देयर वाज कास्ट एंड उसमें रॉन्ग था, मैसेज राइट था. दैट्स व्हाई आई कुडंट पिक दैट. आई रियली लाइक दिस फिल्म, एंड दैट्स व्हाई करे कोई भरे कोई, राइट? लोनलीनेस एंड पीयर प्रेशर. लाइक इन लाइफ वी आर सो लोनली. फ्रेंड्स आते हैं, फैमिलीज है, बट ultimately you're so lonely, and that kills you. You have suicidal tendencies, but but you have some good friends. This way you surround yourself with at least few friends. That's very important in life. Peer pressure with their parents demanding, families demanding, situations is demanding, but you need very good few friends will give you hope and keep it going. That's important. So loneliness, so in silence you suffer. Silence is golden. Let silence not swallow your that beautiful life. Let silence shouldn't kill. Silence is golden, but silence shouldn't gulp your all that greatness in life, right? Or rainbow is about that love between suddenly you in first sight you will start liking someone, and same person again like ek hi ko do teen, like there are dilemmas, who to propose, when to propose. The dilemmas in life, there's so much of love in you, you want to express, and thoda der hote hain to, but you express in the right time. Those who express it in right time, and they feel the lovely life with love and lights and colors like rainbow color. Very beautiful film about love. And Tuti Umid, all this thing, again an engineer student who couldn't do good, and all their suicidal tendency, hopelessness, vacuum jo feel karte hain, and how you overcome, how you have created stories out of situation, out of challenges, out of difficult times, and usi difficult time mein you create a tomorrow, beautiful tomorrow. That's why I always call future is now, act now, right? So all the techniques all you are used are like really, I always, let me again repeat, wall breaking shots, smooth editing tha film ke, and student filmmakers from Krishna engineering and technology Mera New Delhi, you really made me feel proud. And Yashpal, Bollywood hero hamare, I think Gang of Wasipur call him, or Lagan ke hero the, right? So he also is there, and all the powerful personalities are there who have judged the film, and winner we know. So today again is the closing ceremony. I would like to wish you all again the way new relationship you have built through films, creating new ways of saying things, and discovering stories to share and say to say in a new way. Namaste from the land of Red River and Blue Hills, Guwahati city, and to Meerut, brilliant students, teachers, staffs out there. Preeti, thank you, Dr. Preeti. Thank you for this honor. I would love to visit Krishna Institute of Engineering and Technology, New Delhi soon. Namaste. Thank you.